What's going on, everybody? My name is Hillbill, and welcome to my channel Vagabum, where we discuss motorcycles, camping, travel, and adventure. In today's video, we're going to travel down historic Route 66 and work our way through Sedona, Arizona, eventually winding up near the Mexican border where we drop off the Brits. So me, Pete, and Jeff are in Ludlow, California. We just left Barstow this morning, the other armpit of California. Everyone knows Bakersfield is the armpit of California. Barstow is the other one. We just stopped in Pirate Cove in Needles, California. We go for a little, I got a little Driving Miss Daisy thing. Oh, that might be a little better. We're gonna go for a swim. We're gonna grab a beer. Jeff, what do you think about the heat?
I love it.
You're a fucking liar and a fat mouth. Don't listen to that guy. This place was needed. The water feels awesome. Necessary. Well, we made it to Oatman, and we're grabbing a bite at the Oatman Hotel. Pretty cool little place. What's going on, everyone? So we stopped by the Hackbridge General Store on Route 66. This is a really cool place, full of awesome cars. Let's go check it out and explore a bit. $19.90 called. They said they want their Corvette back. Pulling into the town of Williams, gateway to the Grand Canyon. Elevation's at 6,200 feet, I think, so it's a lot cooler here than it's been in most of Arizona. It's only 83 degrees right now. We got a little bit of rain. It feels great. We just ducked into this carport into some hotel. We just got torrential downpour and gale force winds. We're hiding out. Pretty bad. It's starting to clear up now. It's still raining, but. What's up, guys? So we were safe from camping again. My friend Sophia has a place in Sedona, and she's allowed us to stay with her. So I'll show you what it looks like. Here's the turtle pond. Sophia,
Yeah.
say hello to the people.
Hello, hello.
This is Sophia, everybody. Thank you. Sophia's letting us stay at her place. We're gonna shoot some pool. Say hi, Jeff. I'm out here in Phoenix. It's 110 degrees. The sun is disrespectful. This is not easy riding. It's 112 in the shade. I gotta be honest with you. Days like this do not make touring easy. If it was fun, everyone would do it. Let's go. Put some miles on. Let's ride. So I made it to Tucson. Not a fan. Not a big fan of Tucson. Not really my city. I did find a fantastic dive bar though. It's called the Chatterbox. The owner in there is really cool. $2 beers. You can't beat that. Got a Roadrunner in camp.
Is that adult?
Yeah, he's mature. Unlike you. Well, today's the last day that I'm going to be hanging out with Jeff and Peter. It's time to split with the Brits.
Hurrah!
Thank you, John.
You're very welcome. Thank you guys for letting me hang out with you for a week, 2 weeks, whatever.
It's been a real pleasure. I'm going to miss you.
I miss you guys. We're going to hug now, so I'm going to shut off the camera.